We'll guide you through how to get Dropbox on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website by typing dropbox.com into the address bar of your web browser and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on it to start creating your account. You'll see a form where you need to enter your first and last name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure to choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Once you've filled out the form, click on Create an Account. You might be prompted to verify your email. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Dropbox, and click on the link provided to verify your account. After verification, you can log in with your new credentials. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to download Dropbox to your computer. Look for the download button on the main page after logging in. Clicking on this will start downloading the Dropbox installer. Once the download is complete, open the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Dropbox on your device. After the installation is complete, Dropbox will automatically open. Log in with your newly created account. You'll see a Dropbox folder on your computer where you can start uploading and organizing your files. You can now easily drag and drop files into this folder to sync them with your Dropbox account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.